I'm going to be replacing my oil pan gasket because it seems to be leaking. So I'm gonna... It's right there. It's my oil pan again, looking from the right side. My oil pan drain plug. I need to take that out. Hope I got an angle where you can see the oil coming out. Okay, I got the screw out. There goes my oil inside the pan. Let it. Okay, we have to go back and get my socket there. I got 3 more I'm about to do by hand, maybe. Okay, he's coming. Okay, there you go now. Should be a little oil left here. You turn the pan sideways. Okay, we got him out. Let's recover. Okay. Oil pan gasket. Here we go now. The drain plug, need to tighten it up. I have my ink pack wrench, but it's not going to take long now. I just need to tighten up.